Okay, so previously in one of my haul videos I mentioned that I won't be doing any kind of haul in this year, but I'm so sorry guys. Let's just consider that I did not make any such kind of statement. Yeah, let's just feel and let's just negate that statement that I won't be doing any kind of haul, please. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you a new haul. It's a skincare haul of Indian upcoming Indian brands. Basically these all are products that are currently quite hyped up, and I really wanted to purchase them and try them out, and probably I would be giving my reviews after some time. Any which way, if you are new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I purchased from Amazon is this Vian Naturals Hyaluronic Acid Serum with Vitamin C. I am currently using its niacinamide serum, and it is one hell of a holy grail right now for me. It's so beautiful, so good for the skin right now, and my skin has certainly started to show a big difference. So I thought, why not to purchase serum from this brand, hyaluronic acid. I do not have a hyaluronic acid serum, and I would be showing you all how it looks. Okay, so I took out this serum just now, and it is present in a blue colored bottle, probably because vitamin C oxidizes in light, and that's why they have given this blue colored bottle. And I'm pretty excited to use this on my face. As I told you earlier that I really had very good experience with the niacinamide serum, this brand's niacinamide serum, and let's see how it turns out to be. I purchased it from Amazon, and the price is somewhat around 556 rupees. Whatever the price would be, I will be mentioning it. I purchased two products from Sugandha Skincare, and the first product is this Sugandha Calendula Oat Cream. Now, Sugandha products do not have fragrance. This also does not have any fragrance, and it looks somewhat like this. And in its website, it was mentioned that it is particularly suited for dry skin people. Now, as I told you earlier that I do have a dry skin, and whatever the products that I have purchased, I have kept in mind that the winters are approaching and we do need to take extra care of our skin. So I purchased this moisturizing cream, and I really have high hopes from it because Sugandha is being raved about everywhere. Even Shweta Vijay in her video and on her Insta stories mentioned about this cream. So I wrote really inspired and excited to purchase this. I would be definitely sharing my experience, how it turns out to be. From the same Sugandha website, I purchased this squalene oil. Now, squalene oil is another skincare ingredient that is being talked about these days as is niacinamide. And after watching some of this video, I thought, why not to buy a squalene oil as well, because it really helps in moisturizing the skin, and I really wanted a good facial oil. So I purchased this, and I would be doing my own mini research about squalene, and I would be telling you everything how it is beneficial for the skin. I wanted the Indulge Essential Squalene, and also the Deve Herbal Squalene. It is being touted as one of the most affordable squalene oil, but I wanted to buy from Sugandha, so I purchased it. Let's see how it fares for my skin. I purchased a few products from Nykaa. The first is this plum, olive and macadamia hair mask. Now, as I told earlier, I have actually given up on my hair. You can see how dry and damaged they look. Yeah. The clear example is there, but the winters are approaching, and I do need to take care of my hair as well, because otherwise they are going to turn out to be the driest, most brittle, most fragile, I do not know what, really. So I watched Shreya Jain's video and I purchased this, and I thought I really have really high hopes from this hair mask. I do not know what to do with my hair, and I do not like experimenting with too many hair products. I do use the Khadi hair protein hair mask, and it has turned out to be pretty good. I mean, yeah, good. It does moisturize my hair and does not make my hair that dry and frizzy. So let's see how it works for my hair. The next product that I purchased from Nykaa is this Plum E-Luminance cleansing balm. Now for cleansing my face, apart from face washes, I use micellar water. I use oil cleanser from the Face Shop, and also I do have cleansing milk or lotion. So I really wanted to try out cleansing balm. I know that the Cleany cleansing balm is quite good, but it is quite expensive, and the one in the affordable price range, the quantity is very less. I really wanted to buy good quantity of the product, so I purchased this. I have used Plum products before. As I mentioned earlier, the E-Luminance cream I purchased, and it did have good moisturizing ability, but as I mentioned earlier, after 3 or 4 months the perfume or whatever product in it becomes rancid, and it starts smelling quite weird. So I won't be purchasing it, but as I told you earlier that if you can finish up the product within 3 or 4 months, then definitely you can go for it. I do have the Plum facial oil, the sea buckthorn or something, that yellow colored facial oil, and it is such a beautiful product. It moisturizes skin so nicely, so I thought why not to buy this product from Plum, and I would see how it cleanses up my skin, and definitely I would be sharing you all, I would be sharing my experience with this product with you all. The third product that I purchased from Nykaa is this Dermafic toner, and it has glycolic acid. This is also being raved about. Shreya Jain mentioned about it in our video, and I have been eyeing this since pretty long. I'm currently using the Just Hubs Mandarin Skin Tone. It's so beautiful, you guys. It moisturizes so nicely. So I thought why, and I purchased this because, as I told earlier, that I have this problem of enlarged pores. So it actually cleanses up the pores. Also it has a glycolic acid, so it would help in a bit of exfoliation. Let's see how it turns out to be. One more thing I would like to mention, I really love the packaging, this glass bottle and this screw cap. Very environment friendly. It looks so beautiful, it looks so luxurious. I mean and also the blue color is just so pretty. I have specific fascination for blue color, and I really love how this bottle looks. The fourth product that I purchased from Nykaa is this Dr. Sheth's Cica and Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum, and everybody knows how is Cica Centinella beneficial for the skin, so I purchased it. I would be using it in my nighttime skincare regime. This is how the product looks. It comes in an amber colored bottle. Also, I'm thinking of making a video on Cica Centinella, and after using this product, I would be definitely sharing you with you all how was my experience with this particular product, because I have heard such good reviews about this product. Everybody is talking about it, and with all my heart, I did want to, use this product. When talking about skincare, we can definitely not skip our lips, specifically my lips. They are chapped as hell, and nowadays they are drying up like anything with this changing weather conditions. So I got 2 lip balms. Basically, first is this Wadi Herbal Lip Balm, and why I purchased it, there's an interesting story. No, why I purchased it, because I was actually purchasing this Cica Ceramide Serum, and it was on a discount, and Nykaa has this thing that if we purchase anything above 700, then the shipping charges are not included. So I purchased this. This was also on a discount. This can be for anytime uses, every time uses. I do not have too many expectations, but then lip balm is lip balm. Currently I'm using those Nivea lip balm Fruity Shine Mint something something. I think I've showed you in my videos, and they are quite good. Among affordable options, this is a nice lip balm, and I really hope this fares well for me. Okay, so the other lip balm that I purchased with again high hopes is this Blycent lip butter. I heard Samapti talking about it, and I really wanted to try it out myself. I'm currently eyeing the Juicy Chemistry Blood Rose Hip something 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 lip balm. I do not know why I didn't go for it, but okay, fine. Currently I have this, and I read really good reviews about it both on Nykaa and Amazon. I purchased this from Amazon, and let's see again how it fares for my lips, and I would be definitely sharing you my review about this lip balm. With this, I come to the end of this skincare haul video. I really hope you guys like this video, and if you did this, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new video or a brand new makeup tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye bye. I love you all.